In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to preview a Squarespace site. This is a crucial step for anyone building a website on this platform, whether you're a beginner or an experienced designer. Ensuring everything looks perfect before going live is essential, and Squarespace offers some great tools to help you do just that. Let's start by navigating to the Squarespace website. You can easily do this by entering their URL into your browser's address bar and hitting Enter. Once you arrive at the main page, you'll notice several options available to get started. We're aiming to access the website's backend, so go ahead and click Get Started. After clicking Get Started, you'll be directed to the dashboard. This is where all the magic happens, where you can manage your entire site, from its design to its underlying settings. To preview your site, we'll need to go into a specific section. Locate the Website section within the dashboard, then click on Pages. This area houses all your site's pages, and it's where you can make and preview changes before they go live. Once you're in the Pages section, it's time to see your site as visitors would. On the site frame, you'll notice an arrow in the top left corner. This icon is your ticket to the full preview mode, so go ahead and click that arrow. By entering this mode, you get a comprehensive view of how your site will appear, without the editing interface cluttering the design. This is invaluable for checking the flow of your pages and ensuring everything looks just the way you want it. Now, while in preview mode, take a moment to navigate through your site. Look at each page, click through links, and check that all images and texts are displaying correctly. Pay attention to how each element aligns on both desktop and mobile views, as Squarespace allows you to see how your site adapts across various devices. This is crucial because a significant portion of web traffic comes from mobile users. Ensuring your site looks great everywhere will enhance user experience and engagement. Before wrapping up, here's a tip. As you preview your site, note down any discrepancies or areas that require further tweaking. Maybe a title doesn't stand out enough, or a button isn't aligned quite right. These small adjustments can make a big difference in your site's final appearance and effectiveness. And that's it. By following these simple steps, you can confidently preview your Squarespace site, making sure it's ready for the world to see. As always, remember to save your progress frequently to avoid losing any changes. With this knowledge, you can ensure your site is polished and professional before hitting that all-important publish button. Thank you for watching, and happy designing.